Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Trading Chief. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at a upcoming FDA review, and the ticker is GRTX. It's Galera Therapeutics. And this one, we're going to start back on a news article from October 19th of 2021. And it says Galera Therapeutics shares slump after phase 3 of vasospasm fails to meet main goal. And it says Galera Therapeutics shares were down more than 72% after early Tuesday, after the company said that the phase 3 Roman trial evaluating vasospasm magnesium as a potential treatment for severe mucositis in patients with locally advanced head and neck cancer failed to meet its main goal of reducing the incidence of severe oral mucositis. Oral mucositis is a side effect of radiation therapy characterized by severe pain, inflammation, ulceration, and bleeding of the mouth. The company said it continues to analyze the trial's results as it evaluates the next steps for the program. In the same statement, Galera also said patient enrollment is ongoing for a phase 1-2 trial evaluating the GC4711 product candidate in combination with the stereotactic body radiation therapy as a treatment for patients with non-small cell lung cancer. Now you might be asking, Chief, why are you showing me this if it failed its phase 3 trial? And I just want to show you, right, what happened. It went from $7.62, $7.84, right, down to $1.19, something like that. And I'm sorry, it went down to $1.91, and eventually ended up going all the way down to $1.32, right, or $1.03 was its low. And then as they continued to look through the data, they realized, you'll see right here in this article, that they messed the data up. It says Galera rockets 103% after corrected results from phase 3 vasospasm study in oral mucositis met primary endpoints. So I had to go back and look at it. I don't know what they messed up, but I just wanted to point it out to you that it jumped 103% off this news, but it's still nowhere close in the trading to where it fell from, right? So it's at $2.69 in the after hours currently, and it fell from basically $7.43 back in 2021. I'm not saying it's going to go back that high, but it's a possibility. So I just want to point that out to you, and that's the reason why I'm reading these two articles. But it says Galera jumps 103% after corrected results from phase 3 Roman trial of vasospasm for the treatment of RT-induced severe oral mucositis in the patients with head and neck cancer achieved statistical significance on the primary endpoints. Previous, the company reported that the phase 3 Roman trial of vasospasm and SOM failed to meet the primary endpoint. Upon further analysis, an error by the contract research organization was identified in the statistical program. Correction of this error resulted in improvement p-values for the primary and secondary endpoints. The corrected p-values are as follows: 16% relative reduction in the incidence of SOM in the vasospasm treatment group is 54% versus the placebo, which is 64% primary endpoint. P equals 0.0451. Previously, P equals 0.113. I don't know what the significance of that is. 56% relative reduction in the number of days in SOM in a vasospasm group, 8 days, versus placebo, 18 days. P equals 0.0022. Previously, P equals 0.011. Secondary endpoints. 27% reduction in severity of SOM in the vasospasm group, 24% versus placebo group, 33% I'm sorry, in the vasospasm group is 24%, versus the placebo group, which is 33%. The company also announced top-line results from its single-arm phase 2 alpha USOM trial in the vasospasm in Europe for RT-induced SOM in patients with HNC undergoing standard of care RT plus cisplatin. Vasospasm appeared to be generally well tolerated in the EU SOM. The incidences of SOM was 54.5%, and the median number of days of SOM was 9 days, in line with the Roman trial, in which the incidences was 54% and the median duration was 8 days. So I went from bad news to fairly good news. And then we're going to take a look at another news article from December 12th of 2022, which is this one. That says Galera rises as FDA grants priority review for lead asset. This is the clinical stage biotech Galera gained 9% pre-market Wednesday after announcing that the FDA accepted and granted priority review for its marketing application for lead product candidate vasospasm. Following the new drug application, Galera seeks approval of vasospasm magnesium for severe oral mucositis, or SOM, the head and neck cancer patients develop due to radiotherapy they receive as standard of care. Given a 6-month priority review designation for the NDA, the FDA has issued August 9th of 2023 as the action date for its decision and has indicated that the agency does not plan to conduct an advisory committee meeting for the application. The company supports the NDA with data from 2 randomized double-blind placebo-controlled trials for vasospasm, which indicated a clinically significant decline in signs and symptoms of RT-induced SOM. In May, Galera announced plans to file the vasospasm approval before the end of 2022, which they did. So there's that one. And then the last news article is from February 15th, and it's this one right. Did I just read that one? Oh, I just read that one. Oops, I skipped the other one, but whatever. So I just wanted to point that out, and I thought it was pretty significant. It's something that you can hold for a little bit because they've already done a filing on this where they already got funding for it. That's what I'm trying to say. I was trying to find that for you so I can show you. Because I always like to show everything. I don't want you to think. I don't want you to take word of mouth. Right here. Now it's pricing of registered direct offering for $30 million. So they've already got their direct offering paid for the drug. So you don't have to worry about them coming in and doing a direct offering after the FDA is approved because it's already paid for. They also got some other stuff going on. Like they just got orphan drug status for pancreatic cancer therapy. So that's cool. That's an upcoming catalyst as well. But that's all I got for you. I just wanted to bring you this information. August 9th is the FDA review for the severe mucositis. So if you find this content valuable, come check me out in the Discord. The link is down below. Consider hitting that like, subscribe button. And yeah, that's all I got. So have a good day.